So when you're crafting an email, and probably the first thing that you'll enter into that email is who you're sending it to. You might say, well, that's obvious. I just send it to wherever I'm meant to send it. But if you've ever seen any email application, you'll see that there are three different components to the who you're sending it to area of said email. So those three fields are to, CC, and BCC. So just to explain why we would use two of them and not three of them, this is what this little clip is for. So the to field is the person that you're going to send the email directly to. Who is the email for? Directly. Okay, so that's what the to field is for. Now you might say, well, just put everybody in, that's fine. Not every email that you send will be for the direct attention of everybody that you're going to send it to. And this is where CC comes in. So CC means closed copy or carbon copy. The idea of CC is in the CC field or entry, you will add those email addresses that you want to know that you've sent the email, but it's not necessarily for the direct attention of that person. Examples. So I might send an email to a class. I might say, well, we have a change of plan, yada, yada, yada. But I also might share that lecture with another lecturer. So there might be two of us lecturing on the same module. So I'm sending the email to the class, but I want to make the other lecturer aware that I have sent said email. So I would send the email to the class, but I would CC the other lecturer. That means that they'll get a copy of the email, that's fine, but when they look at it and open it, they will see that it's not to them, it's to the class. So it's not as important as if I had sent an email to a colleague telling them that, what are your thoughts on exam questions? That's a different type of email as far as that person is concerned in receiving it. Another example might be you as a student sending an email to me and also CCing the program chair or assistant head of department because you might be sick or something like that. It's to me, possibly as a year tutor, but it's for other people's attention as well so that they know you know that you sent the email. Another example would be if you were working in a group project and you're submitting an assignment. So you may have 2 or 3 team members on your group. You want to submit your work to me or to another lecturer, but you also want to CC your colleagues or group members so that they know that you have sent the assignment to the lecturer. So it's almost like a paper trail. That's why it's called carbon copy. So it's a copy of the email. It's not for their direct attention. Whoever's in the to field, that's the person who, or people who it's really for. Now you can obviously have more than one entry in the to field. You can have more than one entry in the CC field. That depends on the email and depends on who you're sending it to and why you're sending it. The third option is BCC, which is blind copy. Now, as a student, I see no reason why you would be blind copying people. The idea of blind copy is that you will add the entry to the BCC and the people in the to and the CC will not see that you've included another person. I see no reason, and to be honest, it's very, very, very rare that I would send an email with a BCC, maybe 1 in 1,000 emails that I would include a BCC. So it means that somebody else knows. It's kind of a copy that you send, just no one knows you have it, but you have it anyway. So I rarely use that because I like to be at least open about who I'm sending my emails to. There's no skullduggery going on as to why or how I'm sending my email. So that will cover the to people. Who are you sending it to? And again, that position is important, and I like to see that students at least understand the idea and use it properly when necessary.